Oh, Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about why this tiny thing worth $14 million on Amazon. If this is the first time you're here, my name is Eric. In my former day job, I work on a number of innovative partnerships with some of the biggest technology companies in the world. The name I cannot mention, but we spend millions of dollars in new business models. In this Finance Panda channel, I'm going to share with you 200 plus on my own business ideas. If you like those ideas, feel free to copy and paste. I will also do some analysis about the ideas. So remember to subscribe so that you're not going to miss out. Before I pop into this tiny idea that is worth $40 million of market size, I'll give you a little bit of structure of the video. At the very beginning, I will talk about the pros/opportunities. And then I'll go into the cons and the challenges of implementing this business idea. Last but not least, I will have a verdict and giving a score from 1 to 10. 1 being the least favorable and 10 being the most favorable. If you prefer to analyze it otherwise, leave me in the comments below. So what is this tiny business idea that is worth $40 million of market size? Do you remember last time you went to the airport and wonder whether your liquid can go through the security? And then you end up throwing out some of the liquids. Imagine this is your favorite perfume and it's worth at least $100 and you throw it away. You wouldn't want to do it, right? That's why we have something like this. This tiny bottle is the travel size perfume bottle. It's a pretty good idea, right? What are the pros/opportunity with this $40 million of tiny business idea? In fact, it is worth more than that because I only calculate 40 million based on the first page of Amazon. If you go to second page, third page, fourth page, probably it's worth $100 million rather than just $40 million. Before we go to the crazy number on Amazon, let's look at Google, because this is our normal procedure to look at the Google search volume. If you see here, it's only 1,000 to 10,000 searches per month, which is not very exciting. Sounds like more a con rather than pro. But let's look at Amazon later. Now we're at Amazon. How do you come up with this crazy number of $40 million? It's actually pretty simple. You have the price and then you times the number of units sold. And how do you know the number of units sold? It's also pretty easy. You look at the number of reviews. In general, 1 in 100 people would actually leave a review after buying something. In this case, if there are 1,000 reviews, you actually mean that they sold 100,000 units, of course, approximately. 100,000 units times €8 per item, that would be $800,000, right? Using this logic, if we go to the first page of Amazon with this item, you can calculate that it's up to 37 million euros, which is approximately $40 million of total market size, just the first page. Okay, I know this is a lifetime value, right? How about I want money now? That's side hustle, right? Of course, we also have a way to find it out, luckily. If you go to Amazon, you will see 500 plus sold last month, 400 plus sold last month, etc. So basically, it shows that how many units were being sold last month. You just need to times this number with the prices of those shops. Yeah, together, you know the total number. In this case, it's 42,000 euros per month, which is approximately $44,000 per month. Imagine you're taking 10% of market share. It's already $4,500 per month, which is pretty impressive for a side hustle. How about the cons and challenges? I see 2 of them. The first thing is pretty obvious, right? If you go to Amazon, there's so many competitors. It could also be a good thing because that means also a lot of demand, right? The second point is that if you look at Amazon, of course, many of them look super similar. Maximum 3 or 4 models, but basically all of them the same. How can you distinguish yourself among others? This is a challenge you're going to have. You need to spend extra effort and maybe money in order to design them in a different way and to get the vendors, of course. Sounds amazing, right? How do we implement that? Then we need our old friends Alibaba and AliExpress. If you don't know what are they, check out my old videos above. I explain what they are. They're basically the e-commerce platform where you can buy products at a very low price from the producers directly. If you look at Alibaba, the exact same product costs only €1 and even 1 cent. If you go back to Amazon, they charge €8 or €13 for the exact same product. This is quite a big profit margin. But Alibaba is based in mainland China, so you need to deal with shipping and import tax, etc. Alternatively, you can go to AliExpress, which is a subsidiary of Alibaba, but it is based in the USA or in Europe. That's why you don't need to deal with, import tax and also customs. Of course, it's more expensive. It will cost roughly €1 rather than 1 cent. But you can still make a big profit margin if you sell it for €8 or €13. That's pretty amazing. Out of $8, you make $7 of gross profit, which is 87.5% of gross profit margin, which is crazy, right? Of course, if we talk about gross margin, this is before other overheads, for example, marketing expenses. Now, what's my verdict about this very tiny business idea that's worth $14 million market size? Well, it's not going to make you a billionaire for sure, but it's a pretty decent for side hustle because it was sold $42,000 last month. Pretty decent, right? What do you think about this idea? Leave me in the comments below. If you like the video, remember like, share and subscribe. See you next time.